ABS as well.
Yeah, I got the ABS light, low pressure light still, service engine light, the VTC light, and the anti-slip light.
Oh, you have more than me. I don't have engine.
Yeah, it's lots of lights.
It's early Christmas.
Yeah, I got defeated by this trail.
Yeah, we're gonna come back stronger.
Roger. Hey guys, welcome to another Access Company off-road video. Here last week, or what, no, not last week. I believe sometime in July, we took our cars to Farnham Glacier. And last year, I don't know if you guys saw the video, but it'll be right here. But if you guys didn't see the video, please check it out. We almost made it to the very top and the cabins as well. And we had a blast over there. Views from there was great. The snow was still there in July and it was an awesome experience. So what we're doing today is we're taking it to what's called the Ruby Falls. And it is a very known off-road trails here. Difficulty level, relatively moderate. Hoping this car would make it there. Since last time, I believe the snorkel was added. We went scuba diving and my car didn't really like it. So I added that additional. So hopefully that'll get us through deeper waters. Yeah, we're here with this great machine. This is a Rubicon. It's lifted to the sky. It'll get me through and get me towed out of here in no time if I have a difficulty. So I'm very, very safe. I feel safe that way. Yeah, and hopefully we'll have a blast again. Let's go ahead, guys. Thanks. So he packs a lot of stuff, if you can see. You know, he's prepared. I know I'm not. I pack bare minimum. He's got the drawer system over here. It looks just fabulous. Yep, this way. So unfortunately, my car kind of got defeated right now in this little gully. I need a little bit of a tug here. He's just mounting a tug for me. Yeah, there was a bit of a gully there, and then I thought I would make it, but I didn't make it. And this trail is absolutely gorgeous, but might be a little bit too much for the current condition Pathfinder. So unfortunately, Jeep has to help me out. Jesus. So just hooking it up to the toe there. It was getting dark. We have to find our way out of wherever this was. Google led us to this place where no one visited, and that got me stuck. Pathfinder didn't fail me. I failed to find the path. This is my line of sight right now. It's very limited. It's got a lot of dust in this road. We're still also, it's very dark. Again, since the last time we went to Farnham Glacier as well. So we're trying to find a camp right now. I hope we can find it within the next little bit here in the next 30 minutes or so. It's 11 o'clock right now.
Sharp right onto Cardinal River Road.
I think we're pretty close though. So last night, we had a late last night, and we got here like midnight. And when we arrived, you know, we heard some river or water flowing through. Didn't realize like this is an awesome area. There's like the river flowing through, and the sound was amazing, and I got a really good sleep. I got this off at the Cypress Mountain when we visited last Vancouver trip. So we're gonna have some coffee to wake us up a bit, and we're gonna head out. This river wasn't very deep when we initially crossed at this time, but our return after the storm, things were very different. It's called a Jeep Eater. So apparently this hole might be called a Jeep Eater. I'm lucky mine's not a Jeep, so it might not eat the Pathfinder, but yeah.
Maybe the back's filled already. I don't know. I don't know if that's the one, but
yeah, it does look pretty deep. I'll fly the drone over and then see what it looks like. But yeah, it looks pretty deep over there. Yeah, it's quite a splash, right?
hopefully it's not silky and muddy.
Yeah.
Really hard if you're a full-size truck.
Yeah, for sure. I think you could have taken that gully too.
The right side?
I wouldn't have.
Just scared if I flex too much, my drive shaft would come off.
Oh.
Yeah, it's too much of an angle for the drive shaft.
jewels of riverbed of Ruby Falls were beyond words to describe how grand it was. The opening to the creek and the mountain views were only one of the few reasons to visit this area. Variety of trails, elevations, and most of it all, serenity. And that's the beauty of off-roading. After that river, I think this is pretty easy. Yeah, it's easier course. It's on the straighter roads that are paved for the people without going off the trail. This road is actually not that bad. There are some rocks and stuff like that that you have to watch out for. But other than that, I think it's doable with the regular trucks. Just the first part and the muddy part, which gets really deep, that some cars might need a snorkel, definitely.
In the video, it doesn't look like it.
It certainly doesn't look like it on the video, but it is very steep with big rocks and narrow trail. You can hear the pathfinder struggling to climb.
Woo!
Oh shit, this is even steeper.
Really? You can fly the drone and we can probably scout.
Yeah, just hold on there. I might slip back, so just hold there.
Scout first, or?
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I think I'll make it.
Okay. I'm gonna take a video of you though.
So guys, we're just coming up this trail and we found this massive heap of steep hill. And I think we gotta make up this hill before we can get to Ruby Lake or Ruby Falls. I don't know which one is which. But yeah, like we just came up this too steep and slippery slope with a massive boulder on the side. I scraped a lot. My car still survived though, so I think it's still good. But yeah, it's a difficult trail now. After the bad riverbed, it gets really difficult. I'm gonna just film the Jeep coming up here. I think you're gonna have to give her. Yep, you're good. You're gonna have to give her. Straight, yep, good.
Yeah, reverse a little.
Yeah, you know what? I'm going to move forward a bit more so you have a bit more room. Yeah, so I'm gonna go forward a bit more so it gives you a bit more room to maybe get a... I think you will make it if you just turn a little bit more that way. Yeah, because the rear will come up and then you'll just maybe go over this boulder. Yeah. You want me to spot you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go forward a bit more though. So yeah, the top part, there's the boulder there, which was very difficult to get up and turn. Now he is just on that small boulder. I think he'll clear though. Yeah, I'm just gonna give him a little bit of a spot. I think it should be okay. Do you want me to give you a traction board?
Just go back.
Yeah, it'll clear. I think you have to turn all the way. Cranked it. Yeah, crank. Leave it there. Yeah, good. Go over it. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that was exciting. Wasn't it? Yeah.
This is probably the most intense I've ever had.
Yeah.
Off-roading.
That's what we do, right?
Yeah.
That's why we do things.
Yeah.
No, this is awesome.
Sick.
Yeah. If I got caught in that rock though, like I would have been dead.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have come out.
Skills.
Yeah, you hit it like just on the edge.
Yeah, the edge of the
Yeah, I had to go around it.
control arms.
No, sweet.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is like the lake they're talking about. The green Scenic you're seeing now is the beautiful Ruby Lake. We weren't able to make it due to swamp that sank our foot, and our cars would have never made it without the winch, which we don't have. We turned our backs to Ruby Falls Trail on our next episode. Looking good, guys.